In this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your Lycamobile account online from any country quickly and easily. Whether you're traveling or living abroad, topping up your balance is simple with these steps. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lycamobile recharge website at lycamobile.com/recharge. Choose your country from the list to make sure you're on the correct regional page. Enter your Lycamobile phone number and select your desired top-up amount. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Lycamobile accepts credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes PayPal depending on your location. Fill in your payment details and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message, and your Lycamobile balance will be topped up instantly. If you prefer, you can also recharge using the Lycamobile app, available on both Android and iPhone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the process to avoid errors. If you encounter any issues, contact Lycamobile customer support for assistance. That's it! Now you know how to recharge your Lycamobile online from anywhere in the world easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy mobile tutorials.